Rapid how to.
Select column you want to start from by left-clicking on it. Now hold the left Shift key, then press End key, and right arrow. Right-click on one of the selected column headings and choose Hide. Now click the row you want to start from. Hold left Shift key, then press End key again, and then press down arrow on your keyboard. Right-click on one of the row's headings and choose Hide. The spreadsheet is now cropped to its content. In order to undo that operation, point your mouse to the right of the edge, click the left button and drag across a bit. Then just select both headings, so that they are selected, and then right-click and choose Unhide. The same procedure is applied to unhide the bottom rows. Just like that. And we are done. If you've liked this video or found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks and see you next time.